What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to manage store preferences on Steam Store Preferences to see the games that you like or the games that you think will best fit your preferred genres in your games library. So without further ado, let's get started. To actually do this is quite simple. The first thing you guys need to do is make sure you have your Steam window open. I'm currently at my Steam library here. The idea is that when you want to access these settings, you won't be clicking on the main Steam tab at the top. Instead, what you want to do is click on the drop-down menu for your account profile located on the top right corner. It's the small profile icon. Right below your account details, you'll see an option called Store Preferences. Click on this. This will take you to a page where you can configure the content or games that are shown on your store. By default, mature content filtering is turned on. This filter is enabled on new Steam accounts unless parental controls are active, in which case some settings may be disabled. To give you a quick rundown of what type of content gets filtered out: general mature content, mature topics, violence, gore, nudity, sexual content, frequent nudity, adult content, and so on. These filters apply both to the Steam Store and community content. You also have options to filter your store to show only specific types of content, such as VR games, videos, movies, software, tools, pre-purchase offers, early access titles. Additionally, you can add tags to exclude certain types of games. For example, if you want to hide all VR games, simply add the VR tag to the exclusion list. You can also exclude genres. For instance, adding FPS would hide all first-person shooters like Apex Legends. And that's honestly all there is to it. Hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we upload guides daily, so feel free to subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.